everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a short video in Canva using these 5 simple steps. First, we will begin by exploring the home page. Here you can find different designs and templates which are available to users on Canva. For our work today, we will be using the video feature on Canva listed under Create a Design. Canva can be used on any tablet or device connected to internet, and work will be saved automatically. The first point which we're going to discuss is adding and changing text over the same background of a video. On the left side of the screen, we can then click on the video section and search up any videos which we would like to add to our Canva template. For this video, I started by using the keyword beach to find a video to insert in the background. After finding a video which I liked, I went back to the left side of the screen where the text option is given. After selecting a font that I liked, I then inserted the title of the short film which I was creating. This particular video was going to be made on Long Island, New York. Next, I used the top of the screen to change the size and color of the title. Fonts have been paired together by Canva creators so that users can better design their projects. In order to edit the text over the same background with a smooth transition, you are needed to duplicate the original video. After duplicating the original video, you then crop both videos at the same spot in order to make a smooth transition. While keeping the text the same on the first video, the second video you can then edit the text to what you want to change over the background video. For my video, I kept my first slide stating Long Island, New York, while I created the second video to say and change wording to Welcome to my home. By doing this, the video in the background will continue to play while text changes in the foreground. Next, we'll be discussing how to insert and animate graphics over your Canva video. On the left side of the screen, you are to click on the Elements section where you can find different graphics to add to your Canva video. For this project, I looked up seabirds to add because I thought that it fit well with the beach background as well as Long Island, New York. After choosing a graphic which I liked, I changed the size and adjusted the color to better fit the look of my video. After I placed my first seabird onto the screen, I duplicated it and grouped them together. Once your graphics are added to the screen, you are then able to animate them so that they move along with your background. So at the top of the screen, the animate button, you can then choose from different options of how to move the different graphics. I chose for the seagull graphics to pan in so that it looked similar to flying. Although I added these animations to the seabirds, these animations are not limited to only graphics but to text as well. Next, we're going to go over how to apply background music to your video. On the left side of the screen, you can find the Audio tab. In this section, you can find various different audios to add to the background of your video, which are pre-approved in regards to copyright. In order to listen to the song before adding it to your video, you can click to the left of the title in order to sample the song. Once you've found an audio which you would like to add to your video, you are going to click and drag that sound to the bottom of the screen. Next, we'll be discussing how to download the video as an MP4. At the top right of the screen, you are going to click the Share button and then download the video as an MP4. It is suggested that you download as an MP4 to make it easier to upload your video to YouTube. Lastly, we're going to discuss how to upload your video to YouTube. First, begin by searching up the application YouTube on Safari or Chrome. Next, at the top of your screen, as long as you have an account, there should be a button that says Create. Click on that button, and the button Select Files should pop up. From here, then select the MP4 which you had downloaded from Canva. The video will then be processed, and you will title and label your video. From here, you can choose any options such as age requirements as well as private settings. After following this process, your MP4 video should be uploaded to YouTube and accessed by the public. By following this process, this is what your final video will end up looking like. To recap what we did today, we started by changing the text over a similar background of the same video. Next, we inserted any animated graphics as well as adjusted them to move over the background. The third point which we discussed was applying background music to our Canva edited video. Next, we discussed how to download our video as an MP4 and the importance of doing so in order to upload to YouTube. And finally, we uploaded our final video to YouTube for the public to see. Thank you so much for watching, and you all for a great semester. Hope to see you all again soon. Happy editing!